Hello guys, let's take a look at Nature Valley's Chewy Granola Bar. This one is a mixed berry flavor. Again, it's a vegetarian and a locally manufactured product. Costs around 20 rupees or around 30 cents or so. Again, health bars are not that big deal yet in India, or at least I haven't seen anyone near me using them. I like this kind of stuff because they taste quite nice, at least to my palate. Again, this one looks quite interesting. The packaging is a little bit darker than what's on the cover and a lot less blue stuff. There are quite a bit of red cherries on top, and it's quite soft but really crunchy and quite tasty. It's not that big of a bar, but you could use this once and forget about a small mini meal, I guess. Quite tasty. I would definitely buy another one just for the taste. About 100 calories. Quite nice. Check it out.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to get more videos every day.